big großpansius. But da ist all Indien Islam kom, och den har hänt helt upp så han förkräftar så dum och arrangerar och så vidare. Man helt sig helt sett gängiga och sen fortällt, sen engelska här Tuscarora.
Ik weet dat Maat zegt dat ze is klein best, dat goes in. Ik weet dat Maat zegt dat ze het kunt bezien dat men ze is jong is, dat goes in man's reservation, dat ze komt met bushel van Freda, met hem Freda verkauft. Elderberries.
Elderberries?
No. Do you say Fleda for all berries in Plattdeutsch?
No, just elderberries are Fleda.
Yeah, Fleda pie. My father is.
Ik like Fleda gummies. Elderberry gummies. And then they eat on that. Have you ever had elderberry gummies?
No, I wanted to get some.
They're supposed to be good for the immune system.
Yeah, they're really good for your system.
For your system, da zullen dat niet hard. Jeder dag, jeder weekend. Anyway, jeder zondag het maal vleerpij gebakt.
Det er en fan mokker. Og wenn du det består af sin tid, kan de følge det her.
Oh ja.
De følger det gleich der.
Und die immer die Kaspaner klein.
En det er afgjort.
Det fejrer, hvor det er meget, meget. Og alle til ofte, hvor når husnummer meget, og de er meget
I don't know.
Hier kan flere have hus.
Nej.
Nå, det er en busselkorf hat. Og vi har en movie, hvor Johnny is een klein jongen, hij had dat flere. Og hij var ganske imod, han had purple.
Die eten, die sind die, die sind so als Edge.
Ik weet niet of die met leuk gaan testen of wat.
Maybe her was hungry. I could eat it. I'm really careful.
Nee, roog. Nee.
It's an acquired taste.
You don't like elderberry pie, you know?
I don't eat it, but I'm not very fond of it.
Oh, yeah. I think it's good for the elimination system, that's what I did.
My great grandmother had a huge bush just down the street. Of elderberry bush just down the street here. But my father, when he first went to school, didn't speak English, so the teacher didn't speak German or naturally Plattdeutsch. And he had a piece of pie for his lunch, and the teacher said, "What kind of pie is that?" And he had no idea how to say it in English, but he said, "Flavour pie." But she didn't know what that meant either.
And I don't know what it would be in German, I don't even know if it's European or not.
Elderberry?
I thought they totally had died out, but you can buy out. You have a catalog now. You can buy elderberry bushes now.
The best bushes we had were one behind me at the old barn that collapsed, and then the barn that's still standing where Jack and Arlene did all the remodeling, where the fire was this summer. Before we did the remodeling, part of the old barn beam was rotted out, and that's where the calves were. And the rats would always move the manure from underneath the calves, underneath the elderberries, and the rain all came down. So those bushes were loaded with elderberries.
You could buy cultured ones though, too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Oh, I'm not gonna plant any. Thank you.
No.
Oh, they're so hard to work with because they're so tiny.
I heard a good trick. You take the clumps and put them in a brown paper bag and stick them in the freezer for an hour so they freeze, and then shake them, and almost all of them will all fall off.
There you go.
I never did that.
Shirley's mother did that. Put them in the freezer.
You met,
Irma, yeah. Did they grow wild though? They were wild.
I'm sure they were. I doubt if the ones in the reservation were cultured.
Yeah.
you're still talking about the elderberries?
Yeah.
Yeah, those were wild in the month.
But you can
You pluck them all.
Oh yeah, you can buy the what do you call it? the plants in catalogs.
I think Donald planted some, because he's been picking elderberries from the bush. He and Susan planted. You know,
I used to pick them up and hang them up. Looking out by the woods. Careful.
just along the line fence or something. You picked them? What did you say? You used to pick them
Elderberry, yeah.
along the line fence? No.
Oh, and now that she's down there, you mean she gets
Yeah,
her
I
hand
picture lawyers
over there and
They
they were over
have,
here.
must be the lighthouse.
Okay. But the birds, I would think, would spread those too.
Well,
Oh, yeah, the birds spread out, seed all over the place. In fact, that last couple of years that I helped Ernest before I worked at the Maid, working land on the reservation, at first I thought they were some kind of, big flata. They're like really big flata, elderberry berries. And so I just tried one to see what it was like. I'll bet you I was spitting for 20 minutes. It wasn't sweet, but it
Is
was
it
like, I
Zuma?
couldn't get the taste out of my
It's
mouth.
nest?
Oh, no, just bad tasting, period. Like, what the hell?
they weren't. It's the
Okay, that's
lighthouse.
enough.
No, they weren't elderberries, and I don't know what they were, but I'm thinking, the birds are actually moving these things around?
Be
This is
careful.
in Client.
Yo,
Lighthouse Client.
No, I know the difference between that and nightshade, no. I know the difference.